Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 Toyota 4Runner SR5. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, roof rails, rain guards, deep tinted glass, splash guards, and much more. 17-inch 6-spoke alloy wheels, mud and snow tires, auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps, fog lights, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 46,937 miles. A hidden wiper, the power rear window, the tow hitch, LED brake lights, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power leather bucket seating, cruise, AC, a locking glove box, outside temp, power outlets, door bins, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.